Welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Sam Boik. Thanks for joining us today. Stride Community Health Center provides excellent patient-centered care that meets the need of each individual, and they're helping the Denver community make strides towards healthier lives. Their Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Megan Adamson, joins me now with more. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes, so for anyone who may not be familiar, tell us more about Stride Community Health Center and the work that you guys do and who you serve.
Yeah, absolutely. So Stride is a nonprofit, federally qualified community health center. And what we do is we provide primary medical care and integrated care, including dental services, behavioral health services, and connection to community resources for patients all across the Denver metro area. And we've been serving the community for over 35 years now.
Wonderful. What would you say makes Stride different than other providers of healthcare here in the metro?
Again, our primary focus is access and helping to get in anyone who is in need of healthcare. So we focus on a whole person model. Again, we have primary care clinicians, we have behavioral health specialists, we have dentists and hygienists. We also help connect patients to resources in the community. So if they're struggling with other challenges like access to food, transportation to get to appointments, those are all things that we can help support people with at Stride.
That is great. And we hear a lot about healthcare access challenges. So especially for people who may be uninsured, what is your guys' approach to that? How are you helping the community?
Again, access is really essential to what we do, and we see all individuals in the community regardless of their insurance coverage. So whether they have Medicaid or Medicare, private insurance, or no insurance at all, we welcome them as primary care patients.
That is wonderful. And you did mention whole person care. Can you give an example of what does that look like for someone?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can imagine bringing your child in for a general well visit. So in addition to seeing the clinician, the medical provider, they also have the opportunity at the same visit to get connected to a dental provider, be seen by a behavioral health specialist, and again, get connected to any potential resources that they might need within the community.
Yeah. And are there ways that Stride is involved in the community on a grand scale here in the Denver metro?
Yeah, absolutely. One of our strong focuses is to be a strong community partner. So we do a lot to try and connect patients to the resources that are in the community, but also make that a two-way street. So connect to other resources and really support other community organizations that are in the area.
Yeah. If somebody's watching right now, they've never heard of Stride, but now they're interested, they are thinking maybe this is the right place for me, I should become a patient. What are the steps that they should do? What's the information that they should know?
Right, so anyone who's interested in becoming a patient, it's really easy. They can go to our website, which is stridechc.org. They can call our main number, or they can just walk in and establish care as a patient.
Okay, and if viewers feel passionate about Stride's mission and the work that you guys do, the access that you're allowing to folks here in our community, how can they help support you? What are the ways that they can do that?
Yeah, absolutely. We always appreciate community support, and it really helps us fulfill our mission to take care of all of our neighbors. So again, on our website, stridechc.org, folks can go there, and there's a Donate Now button, and that is a great way to contribute. It does help us support both primary care services, dental services, behavioral health, our school-based clinics, really all of the services that we provide.
Yeah, we have a little bit more time left. So are you able to provide maybe an example of how patients who have come to get that whole person care, that centered care, how does that impact them in that visit? How are they maybe feeling about being able to get all of those types of services through you guys?
Yeah, our patients have been really excited about the opportunity to receive all the services in a one-stop shop.
Right.
It takes a lot to get off work and make it to a medical appointment. And so it can help save time to be able to see a medical provider, see a behavioral specialist, and have a check-in, get a dental checkup all in the same time without having to take multiple days off work and spend that time.
Yes, definitely a convenience for them, and allowing that ability to get the healthcare needs that they are in need of. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Doctor.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
And Stride is a federally qualified health center providing high-quality health care to all members of the Denver metro community. And to learn more or schedule an appointment, visit stridechc.org today or call 303-778-7433. The Paid for this segment. We'll be right back.